Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This printer is Canon PIXMA TR4755i. I'm going to show you how to connect this printer to a wireless network. Go to the display panel, select this button. It will show you setup mode, Wi-Fi setup, select OK. Easy wireless connect, select OK. It's processing. Follow the instruction on the PC or mobile device. Now the next thing to do is on your mobile phone, go to Play Store, install Canon Print app, open the app, search for printer. Select No, select Next, select OK. Does your printer have a button like this? This may be displayed on the home screen. Then you select Yes. Then select this button, menu button, for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Then confirm. Tap Next. The printer is found. Then you select OK. When the printer is displayed, tap Next. Connect device. Canon Print will use temporary Wi-Fi network to connect the printer. Select Connect. Show you connected and it's processing. Printer will connect to the wireless network. So you found the network. So you select Yes. So I'm going to put the password, Wi-Fi password. Once you put the password, the next thing to do is you need to select OK. Select OK. Communicating to the printer. Communicating with the printer. This may take 150 seconds. And it show you connected. So it's connected. If you look on the printer, it's showing us connected. Then you select OK. But you need to wait for this process to complete. Then you close this. Do you want to save the network information? Then you select OK. So this is the printer. TR4700 series online. So from here, you can print document. If you want to print document, then you select Print Document. Then select Documents. Then you go to the file and select the document you want to print out. So this is the document you want to print out, 2 pages document. Then you select Next. Select OK to print all. It will show you the paper. Select No. Then you go on top, change settings. Select how many copies. The paper, size A4, same as original, media type, plain paper. Color mode, we want to print color. Duplex, 2-sided long edge. Then you go back, then select Print. printing completed. Then you select OK. Then you go back to the home page. So this is how to connect this printer to wireless network with your mobile phone and also print out a document double-sided. Thank you very much indeed.